Hi everyone, let's make tiramisu overnight oats today. Now I'm sure you must have seen so many overnight oat recipes all over the internet. This is one of the most viral, healthy, high protein recipes, but this one is so easy to make. This is healthy, low carb with below 5 grams of carbs per serving. So let's get started. First you want to combine some milk of your choice along with some espresso powder. Next goes in some honey. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Also some rolled oats and some chia seeds, of course. Just want to combine all of this together so that you have a nice blended mixture ready. And once that's done, you want to add it into tall tumblers. You can also use mason jars here. Mason jars really works like a charm into making this one. Next, you want to add some cream cheese along with some milk in a bowl so that you have a nice creamy layer which you can top over your tiramisu oats overnight blended mixture. You can also add coconut cream or vegan milk of your choice if you're planning to make it vegan. Once the creamy mixture is ready, simply add dollops of this over your blended tiramisu overnight oats mixture. And once that's done, you just want to top with some cocoa powder on top. Now I know generally espresso powder is dusted on top. However, I like it a little chocolatey, so I like to dust with some cocoa powder on top. It really makes it so decadent and delicious. You just want to refrigerate it overnight so that it soaks up all the flavors of the coffee and the chocolate, and then the next morning this will be ready to serve. And there you go, this healthy, high protein, high in fiber, low carb breakfast recipe tiramisu overnight oats is ready. Do give this a try and let me know if you have any questions. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations and all the macros in the description box below. I'm sure you can find more recipes like this in my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll find more such easy and healthy videos up on my channel. Have a great day everyone.